What's up mga kanaisers? Today I will be answering questions from the comment section in my videos. And I hope that if you have the same questions as them, matulungan ko kayo at ma-enlighten ko kayo sa mga sagot ko. Let's go! Question. Hi po, do you recommend na ipa-apostle muna ang document sa DFA first and foremost before we start applying or searching for Thai schools? The answer to that is yes, but at the same time, no. Pag kayo ay pumunta dito sa Thailand to look for work, it's better if naka-apostille na or authenticated na ang mga documents nyo para hindi na masyadong malaki ang gastos. Dadalhin nyo ang documents dito, babalik nyo sa Pinas for apostillization, then papadala na naman dito, masyadong malaki ang magagastos ninyo. I also said no because if you're going to look for work online and you're just going to apply online while you are still in the Philippines, then you don't really need to process any kind of document yet. However, I am going to recommend that you apostille or authenticate na ang mga documents nyo before kayo pumunta dito sa Thailand dahil mas magastos kapag nandito na kayo and then you process it at a later date. If may nag-hire sa inyo na schools and they know that your documents are already authenticated, then mas mapapadali ang process ng visa ninyo and higher chance to be chosen as the next teacher. So, as I said, it's a yes and also a no, but I recommend that before kayo pumunta dito, nakaprocess na ang lahat. Question. Hello sir, paano po if galing sa ibang bansa din tapos lilipat sa Thailand? Need ko pa din po ba ipa-apostille sa DFA ang mga docs ko? The answer to that is yes. Of course, need nyo pong ipa-apostille ang documents nyo dahil it might be a different rule sa country kung saan kayo magagaling and dito sa Thailand, iba rin ang rule nila. Most of the workplaces here, especially for foreigners, require that you apostille your documents first before you work in a school or before you work in an office. It's not always required pero it's recommended kasi there are schools that are very strict about this and there are also workplaces that are very strict about this because this is also the requirement of the Department of Labor. Kaya it's better po to apostille it and as I always say, before po kayo pumunta dito, if uuwi man po kayo ng Pinas from the other country where you're from, then start the apostille process or authentication process and then come here to look for a job after the documents have been processed. Process it in the Philippines and then use it for your visa application dito sa Thailand. Question. Kailangan ko ba ng degree para makapag-work ako sa office? The answer to that is yes, but there are also exceptions, so I would also say no. What do I mean by yes and no? Yes, because there are offices that are very strict about this and they really need you to have a degree before they apply a visa for you. That is a requirement of the Department of Labor. However, kaya ko nasabing no kasi meron din ako mga kakilala na nakakuha ng visa even if they were only high school graduates. I don't know if marami pa rin ganung klaseng office but as far as I know, it's also possible. However, you need a degree, specifically a 4-year degree because it is a requirement of the Department of Labor for you to get your work permit and your working visa. 4-year degree, hindi pwedeng 2, hindi pwedeng 3, hindi pwedeng 1 lang. For those who studied TESDA and those who studied with a 2-year associate degree, unfortunately, you are not eligible to apply for a visa unless there are some special circumstances involved, which I'm not really sure what those are. So if you are planning to go here and you're still studying, please make sure that you finish your 4-year degree first before kayo mag-abroad sa Thailand. That's it for today mga kanaisers. I hope I was able to help you sa mga tanong nyo. And if you have more questions, then let me know in the comment section down below and I will help you to the best of my ability with the most simple and straightforward answer na may isip ko. See you guys next time. Peace! Oh.